welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do a fascinating project using IRSensor, LED, a 9-volt battery and a lot more. It is fun and simple to learn about the electronics and sensor. Before we get our hands on, let us get to know about the components. Okay, these are the components that we are going to use to do the my channel. If you like my project, don't forget to give thumbs up to my video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to see all my videos as I shared many important videos. And click on the bell icon so that you won't miss the latest videos. If you have any questions, don't forget to drop it below in the comments.